guys. Just doing a quick check of my 401k. Starting to look like it's down. Anyway, let's go work on a C10. Lock to the right. Lock to the left. Lock to the right. Lock to the left. Lock up, over, down here, up here, over there. Lock it this way. Lock it